Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your XM trading account permanently if you no longer need it. Let's get right into it. First, you want to open up your Gmail app or go to your Gmail on your computer. Since I'm using my phone, let me go to my Gmail account. Then you want to compose an email. I already have my draft saved here for this video's purposes. Now in the recipient box, you want to type in the official XM Trading Support email address. As you can see on the screen, it's supposed to be support@xmglobal.com. This is where you'll send your account removal request. Next is for the subject, you want to put in something like deletion of account. And in the body of the email, clearly state that you want to request the permanent closure of your XM account. Plus, you want to make sure to include these details that you can see on the screen. First, your full name, then your registered email address, your XM account number, and your contact number. This information helps XM verify that the account belongs to you. Then, once everything is filled out, just hit send, and after that, the XM support team will review your request and get back to you with confirmation. And that's it. You have successfully requested to delete your XM account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.